Hello student, let us start with the next subtopic under international trade, that is EXIM Bank. EXIM Bank is also known as Export-Import Bank. EXIM Bank was set up in the year 1982 as a statutory corporation and it's wholly owned by the government of India. Right? Then it is a principal financial institution that coordinates the working of financial institution which provides financial assistance to Indian businessmen engaged in foreign trade. Now what it says is that EXIM Bank is meant for export and import trade, right? And it was set up in the year 1982 as a statutory corporation. It's wholly owned, totally owned by the government of India. And it is also a financial institution. It provides financial assistance to Indian businessmen, those who are engaged in foreign trade. Clear? Then, moving on to next is functions, also called as objectives, role or importance of EXIM Bank. Now, let us see one by one what are its functions. The EXIM Bank grants term loan to exporters either on its own or in association with other banking company. Okay, so Export-Import Bank gives term loan, right, to exporters either by itself on its own or with the association with other banking company. Then next one, it acts as a coordinator for all foreign institution which provides finance to Indian exporters and importers. Okay, it coordinates all foreign institutions, okay, with each other now to provide finance to Indian exporter and import. Then moving on to next function, the bank also provides administrative and managerial assistance to exporter and importers. Right? Then it provides loan to foreign government and financial institution so that this institution can encourage the import of Indian goods into these countries. Okay, so it means that Export-Import Bank provide administrative and managerial assistance to exporter and importer, as well as it provide loans to foreign government also and other financial institution. Why? So that this institution can encourage the importers, okay, of Indian goods into this country, right? Then moving on to next, the bank also undertakes technical and financial research in connection with various project, different type of project and also schemes, right, which aims at promoting international trade. Okay, then next is the bank helps in promoting and financing export oriented business units. Then the bank also helps the importers and exporters in completing various procedures. Now for the exporters and importers, as you all know, there are different process, different steps need to be followed. Okay, so here this bank, Export-Import Bank, helps the importer and exporter in completing various procedures in preparation of important document relating to the conduct of foreign trade. Then moving on to next is when an Indian company forms a joint venture. Okay, suppose for example any Indian company forms a joint venture abroad, then the EXIM Bank provides the Indian company with required finance, okay, invested in equity shares of the joint venture. Okay, so whatever help related to finance is required, it is provided by the EXIM Bank. Okay, so that was the introduction on EXIM Bank and certain functions of EXIM Bank.